Hi, I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose of Raw Fusion Living. I'm here today for eHow.com showing you how to make frozen bananas with peanut butter and nuts. Not all of us like chocolate, so this is an option for having a really nice frozen banana. And what you do is you just take the banana and get rid of the peel. And you want to have a banana that's still firm. Cut it down the middle. And then we're going to put some peanut butter on it to stuff it with. And it's probably going to require using your fingers a little bit on this one too. You just put as much peanut butter as you like. You can also use other kind of nut butters too, like I love almond butter. And then you want to carefully put this back on here. Now in order to get the nuts to really stick, I'm going to put it in this agave nectar, which is kind of sticky. You can also use honey if you don't have agave nectar. I'm just going to kind of roll it in there. And we have some ground walnuts in the other plate. And then simply just roll it. You might want to also just kind of do a little bit of pushing into it too. And you could either cut that in half or keep it the size it is. And then you want to put it on waxed paper and roll it up. And you'll put that in the freezer for at least an hour. I would say probably a couple hours would be the best way to use that. And this one just came out of the freezer. So it's very nice. It's very attractive looking. And tastes really good too. It smells good. I'm going to try it. That is really delightful. So this is how you make frozen bananas with peanut butter and nuts. I'm Dr. Linda Joy Rose for eHow.com.